Alright, what's up, guys? So, yeah, I'm heading a box to my dirt bike. Well, my phone's about to die, so this is gonna be like a 1 minute long video, but I'll just get back to it when I'm done taping the rest of it. And yeah, this is how it's going. So I'm gonna just set the phone like oh my God. I'm just gonna put the phone down.
Because, like I was listening to last night, they said this could be
Okay. You can see that a little. Alright. Hey, what's up? Alright, so we're gonna try to put one more tape on there, and then that'll be the end of the video. Because my phone is about to die. And I'll make an update to see how it's going. Oh my God, the tape. No! Sonny, shut up.
Oh, and we got Oklahoma again. And Vandy.
Yes, that works perfect. Let's see if my phone can go in there. That sucks. My phone can't even go in there. Wait, can it? Can you guys see? All you can see is numbers. I need to cut a hole in the box.
And that blows my
I'll give y'all an update.
That's what had me stumped.
Okay, so I'll see you. Bye, guys.